I've been putting this Ninja Mega System through its paces for a while now, and it's easily become the workhorse of my kitchen. Whether I'm blending up smoothies after a morning workout, crushing ice for weekend drinks, or making a batch of dough for homemade pizza, this thing is absolutely amazing. The 1500-watt motor is no joke. It absolutely tears through frozen fruit and dense ingredients without slowing down. Completely lives up to the total crushing name without a doubt. What I like most about it is the versatility. It comes with an 8-cup food processor that makes quick work of chopping veggies, mixing dough, or prepping big meals. Then there's also two 16-ounce to-go cups for single-serving smoothies. I love those the most and use them pretty much every day. The build quality is solid. It locks into place with a satisfying click, and the base doesn't rattle around. And cleanup is surprisingly easy for a system this powerful. Rinse the blades, toss the cups and the pitcher into the dishwasher, and you're all set. If you cook often, meal prep, or just want a dependable all-in-one system that actually holds up to heavy use, this one is a game changer. I would highly recommend it to anyone. As always, you can find an affiliate link in the description below if you want to check this product out yourself.